Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have successfully integrated our card and proceed payments. Now it's time to finalize the transaction by providing the customer with the professional receipt. In this video, I will show you how to design and develop a responsive invoice page using HTML, Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. An invoice is more than just a piece of data. It is a document of trust between your platform and your users. A well-designed printable invoice makes your e-commerce site look high-end and valuable. Today we are not just building a simple table, we are building a modern, clean and mobile-friendly invoice system. This is our invoice page. The top section establishes the identifier of the document immediately. We use a split header layout. On the left, we place the Skillshop logo and tagline to reinforce branding. On the right, we use bold, large typography for the word invoice followed by the unique invoice ID and date. This makes it easy to find in a stack of papers. At the very top, we have a back to dashboard link for navigation and a high visibility print invoice button. This button is styled with a dark background to make it stand out as the primary action. Clarity is key in financial documents. We divide the billing and payment details into two clear columns. On the left, we use a clear hierarchy. The customer's name is bolded, followed by their contact details and physical address. Using a gray color for the address text keep it readable but secondary to the name. On the right, we include the payment details. Notice the paid badge. It is green with the check mark. This is a visual confirmation that gives the user immediate peace of mind that their transaction was successful. The data table. This is the heart of the invoice. It needs to be perfectly aligned. We use uppercase, bold labels like cost detail and price with a thin border underneath. This creates a horizontal anchor for the eye. The course title is the most important, so it's bold. Underneath, we add the instructor's name in a smaller, lighter font to provide context without cluttering the view. We use a small gray badge for the P. level beginner. This adds a modern web app feel to a traditional document style. And we use alignment and color to drive the eye toward the final number. All numbers are aligned to the right. This allows the user to easily scan the subtotal, delivery fee and total paid in a straight vertical line. The grand total. The total paid is the most important number. We make it significantly larger, bold and use the Skillshop blue color. This makes it the focal point of the entire page. The professional footer. We include a friendly thank you message and a support email. This ensures the user knows they are if there's an issue. Print-friendly design. The entire design uses a white background with subtle gray borders and high contrast text. This is international. It ensures the invoice looks just as good when printed in black and white as it does on a digital screen. So this is the design part of our website. Now let's dive into our code. This is our invoice.php file. A professional invoice starts with the right font. We are using a premium modern font to give the document a high-end SaaS feel. We use a light gray background, BG Gray 50, for the web view, which makes the white paper of the invoice pop, creating a clear visual distinction. The magic of print optimization. This is the most important technical part of an invoice page. The no print class. Using at media print, we hide the navigation buttons and the print button itself. The customer doesn't need to see web buttons on a physical piece of paper. Shadows look great on a screen but messy on paper. Our code removes the shadow excel and adds a simple 1px border when printing to ensure the ink lines are crisp and clean. We use Tailwind Flexbox and Grid to manage complex information. We use FlexCall MD FlexRow. On phones, the logo and invoice number stack. On desktop, they split to opposite corners, which is the standard professional format. For the bill to and payment details section, we use grid calls 1, MD grid calls 2. This keeps the buyer's info and the payment status perfectly aligned and easy to read. We want the user to feel safe and confirmed. The PG Green 50 badge with the checkmark icon is a success indicator. It provides immediate psychological relief to the user that their money has been safely received. For the invoice number, we used font mono. Monoscape fonts are commonly used for serial numbers because every character has the same width, making them easy to read and record accurately. And we use border B2 border slate 200 for the table headers. This creates a strong horizontal line that acts as a visual anchor for the data table. The total page section uses font black and text blue 600. By making this the most colorful text on the page, we ensure the user knows exactly what they paid in second. And that's a wrap. We have designed and coded a fully responsive, print-optimized invoice page that completes the professional experience for our Skillshop users. From branding to precious financial alignment, have covered it all. So, this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching this and I'll see you again with another video. Have a nice day all and goodbye.